Hello and good afternoon here from this part of Koh Samui. Hope this mic is going to work with all the noise that's going on here. Today's my last day in this part of Koh Samui. Tomorrow is when I'll be leaving to head to, I think about 25 minutes south of where I'm at now. And I am in the Lamai area. I thought I would just bring you out here and just do a little street walking for just a couple minutes, and then gonna make my daily 7-Eleven stop. Still amazes me how you can walk down these streets and it's just crazy noisy, crazy chaotic, and then you just turn down your alley to wherever you're staying and the noise level just drops significantly. But right now I'm looking for an ATM. There was one on the other side of the street, and I'm hoping that I can find one on this side of the street. It'll just be easier. Just want to replenish some of my cash before I get down to the wellness center tomorrow, in case I don't have time to get out, so I'd rather just do it today. I'm assuming the 7-Eleven will probably have an ATM. If not, I'll go find one. There's never one too far away, I'll tell you that. It's like every other block. I went and had a wonderful massage this morning. A little bit more than what I was paying down, up in the Elephant Nature Park, but that's because it's a business. But it was still amazing, so I cannot complain. Also, having this 7-Eleven right at the end of the street where I'm staying is very convenient. You just need to pop out and grab something really quickly. It's been wonderful. You can even get mango sticky rice here and all kinds of stuff. All right. Let's see. I know you all probably think it's funny when I say I'm going to 7-Eleven, but this is a 7-Eleven. It's like a mini grocery store. Yeah. This one's big. This one's the biggest one I've been in, but still. Yep. All right. Heading back. Oh, no. Oh, thank you. Heading back to the hotel now for the rest of the day. I'm done. I got my massage. I got my cash, and I'm just gonna have dinner at the hotel tonight. So it's really nice when you stay at a place that has a restaurant if you don't feel like going out. Plus, I always feel like when I order on Grab, I spend like so much time searching for what I want to make sure I get something that I'm gonna like. One of the things that I've really noticed the difference between Koh Samui and Chiang Mai is in Chiang Mai, it's like when you go out and you walk, um, when you go out and you take a walk, you're stumbling across a lot of different temples. I haven't seen that as much here. It might be the area that I'm in. It might just be the area that I'm in. And there might not be as many temples in this area as there is down in Chiang Mai. The longer I stay in this country, the more I'll learn about this country. I like this area because it's busy, but it's not as like when I was coming from the airport, right out of the airport, when you're about 10 minutes out, it's just crazy in that area. There's a lot to do. Believe it or not, this is a little less crazy. So this is what's happening the rest of the day. I have to do some computer stuff. We're heading back I just turned down the alleyway now to get back to the resort. And I'm going to take you on a walk through the resort so that you can see it. It's really nice. The service is impeccable. The location is great. You're not far from the Lamai night market. There's a day market. Like I said, 7-Eleven is right at the end. If you need anything in a pinch, it'll 5-minute walk or less. And it's nice and quiet, and it's right on the beach. So it was a nice day, and I like taking these days where I just got up and had breakfast, and I just sat overlooking the Gulf, having breakfast, having my coffee, and I think I sat there for like 2 hours, and then went and got a massage, picked up a couple things, an iced tea, and a couple little things to just take back to my room because tomorrow I go to the detox, so I don't want to be taking any snacky things with me. But yeah, now I'm just walking back to my room, and I will probably just chill by the pool and hope that the rain holds off long enough that I can get a little bit of time to put my feet up. But you know, one of the things why I don't like to book a lot of things is because if I need to take a day off, I can just be very, very, flexible with that. If I'm tired and I just don't feel like walking around or doing things or being in the noise, I can do that. Whereas if I really pack my days in, I don't get to do that. And being that I'm going to detox tomorrow, I wanted to make sure that I took some time today to just kind of chill. All right. I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to show you my walk. So the main road we just came in is out there. And I'm going to show you the beautiful bougainvilleas that are all in different colors that line this walkway to the resort. All right. It's the Sand Sea Beach Resort, and I'll link it below if you're interested. Yeah, look how beautiful these are. Every color. I think they're pretty much every color that these come in. Line this. There's the same flowers that we had at the Elephant Nature Park in the butterfly garden. And they have these, it's nice because they a lot of things, they reuse a lot of tires for stuff and they paint them. So they've kind of contained and kept them trimmed, because if you know anything about bougainvilleas, they will take over your entire yard and they get prickly. So if you can kind of keep them somewhat contained, and it looks like they do come and trim these and shape these. They're very beautiful. And we have these in Florida. These attract the butterflies, but I mean, just look, they look like paper. These flowers. Unbelievable. I've always loved bougainvillea, but I know they're a nightmare if you own them. There's a plumeria over there to my left, but it's not flowering. So this is the entryway in the resort. So if you come in at night, if you're out, this is all lit up. All these lights above are lit up, which is super nice. You have all these yellow flowers, these trees. It's a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful day. It'll be a little bit cold when you get out of that pool, but there's not too many times you say that you're cold here this time of year in Thailand. Yeah, look at how beautiful these are. Sawadee-ka. So this is when you, after you check in, this is the way you get into the resort. And it's kind of like separated in a lot of different spots. So here's the swimming pool that overlooks the beach. If you go online, you'll be given an option to book in the main building. And this is like the main building. And then the rest of everything is villas. It's just going to be depending on if you choose a garden view or a sea view. You have the bar right there, which is open. This is your view of the Gulf, and you have chairs. There's been plenty of chairs. I've been here surprisingly. This is the restaurant where they serve breakfast, and then they also have lunch and dinner. They do offer a massage here. There's a massage covered area down that way. You want to know the funny thing? I'll tell you in a second. It's your little heart bench to take your Instagram photo. This is my villa. If you haven't seen it in the other video, you're going to get to see it again now. This is the view from my front porch area. So this is my villa. You can see right from my window. You can still get a little bit of that sea view. And then this is my bathroom, which is your all-in-one. Luckily, they straightened up while I was gone, so that's your all-in-one floor, which I've never used that before. Seen it, but I've never used it. You have wardrobe here. Does have a safe back there behind all my junk. I have my own router, which is obviously because we're in our own villas. The extender's probably not gonna work, so that's really nice. And then you have a workspace right here and a mini fridge. You get 2 bottles of water every single day. The other things and some free instant coffee, but everything else that's in the fridge and like the Amazon, little Amazon coffee things are a charge. I've had a beautiful stay here. I loved it. The funny story that I was going to tell you was I really think that this is a place that mostly couples come to. Hence when I first got here and had the little like swans with the roses on the bed and everything. But that's okay. The price was affordable. And what I have found is even though I think I'm the only solo person here at the resort, is that when you are kind of the only solo person in our place that like a lot of couples come, it's quiet. Because you don't have the singles scene going on. So it has not been a bad stay. The staff is absolutely amazing. The service is amazing. Everything is clean. I don't have a single complaint. I would totally stay here again. I would recommend if you're going to book, though, to book on Agoda, because it was significantly more to book directly on their website. And I usually try to do that, but it was I think, double what I ended up paying on Agoda. And I just don't know if that's just because it was a last minute and they wanted to get them filled. I'm not sure. But I'll link it below if you're interested in staying here at the Sand Sea Beach Resort in the Lamai area of Koh Samui. I got it. All right, if I don't see you all again, the the rest of today because I'm going to be relaxing by the pool. And then everybody have a great evening. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you hate it. I mean, let me know either way. Comment below. 62% of you watching me right now are not subscribed, so I would love it if you would subscribe. Tomorrow we are going to visit Natural Detox. Yeah, so we're going to see what Visit Natural Detox has to offer to get Julia's Tom out in much better healthy shape. All right, take care, y'all. Have a great day. Bye.